Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to activate Lazada FastCash and apply for a loan. You can access Lazada loans either from the mobile app or website by opening the app, then tap on the Lazada wallet icon. Tap Loans to open the Lazada loans page. Now go to the Lazada website. If you are doing it on the website, scroll down and then click on Lazada loans banner. Now activate your Lazada wallet first. Just follow the activation steps above, and on the Lazada loans page, choose a lending partner by tapping or clicking their logo. Now submit your loan application directly to the selected partner. Wait for approval. This usually takes from a few hours up to 24 hours. Once approved, the loan amount will be credited to your Lazada wallet. Start shopping using your new balance. Just a tip, keep up your app updated to ensure your account details are verified to avoid delays in wallet activation, withdrawals, or loan approval. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.